Take a turn, someone!
That's blind firing! What the f***?
Sorry, I realised what I did the moment.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry.
Especially my head's here.
Sorry, mate.
Yeah, okay, go on. Just move out the way, mate.
Hello, welcome back fellow Airsofters. My name's Mike and this is Adventure Airsoft. Today we've got a bit of an interesting game. This is Capture the Flag at Phoenix Total Combat near Warrington, run by the amazing guys at Bomb Up Airsoft, so please go and check them out. You can see a link in the description there for the site, for their shop. It's a shop mainly, but they started to run this site, which is a really good site. The objective today is to take the flag. Both teams are starting at either end of the area, which is basically at the far end of all of these shooting ranges or traps. So all the traps look very similar to this one. You've got like a bit of a dugout that's sort of covered that you used to shoot targets through, and these lanes are, you know, I've got either side of the lanes. Most of them have got either trees, vegetation, or a fence. They've put little cut holes in the fence, which is fantastic for you to get yourself in, little mouse holes. And right in the centre of this area, about the 5 or 6 traps, you have got a flag. Now, at the end of the time, which is about 50 minutes, the team with the flag up wins, and it's quite frantic, very frantic, in fact. In a second, we're going to set off, and we're going to run down this sort of stretch of green. This green lane here. We're going to turn right at the end of the trap, and then you're going to see the basically along the traps and the flag itself.
Greened over. Never used one, so I'm guessing it's just pull fucking leather thing.
Pull it and chuck it, yeah.
Common sense, innit?
Standard procedure for
And if it doesn't go off, still chuck it.
There's a bank.
Red Steve, you ready?
Yeah.
Gladiators, ready?
5-minute breather? Yeah, we'll go that way.
What's the 5-minute breather?
No, yeah, that was from the first one.
Is your safety on?
Yeah.
So that's it, it's game on. As you can see now, this is the first trap. We're turning right out of this trap. You can see the bank on your far left. The bank there is in play, but not beyond the bank. Basically, this is the second trap here, and you can see the little mouse holes. Basically, after this mouse hole here, you'll see the flag, or you see the next set of mouse holes, the opposite side to what the enemy are. And you'll see the flag just there. So we've got to get to the flag, put our colour on the flag, and then hold it basically at all costs. Apologies for the language used. This does get quite fruity. I do get quite angry at times with our team not doing what they should be doing and trying to support other people. But as I said, they are quite young and inexperienced. Didn't think he was going to take it, but fair play, you did. I'm going to add a little bit of rock music on now, let it play, and catch you later.
On the right!
He just fell over.
Oh, we're looking in there, guys.
Get in there, quick. You want him? 1 second is it, so he just fell over right there.
Is he not dead? Seriously, what the f***?
Loads of people hitting him.
I wasn't going to complain about this guy because it was just a good effort. He just didn't want to give up, did he? Did not want to stop.
Next one ready, get ready.
I'm going to make my push now. Okay, you ready? Go!
Finally got.
Next one.
He's finally took it. Get ready.
Push, ready? Go!
Next one, go.
Okay.
The smoke, guys. The smoke. Go.
Next push.
Next one, get ready.
Why me?
Anyone, just go.
Where?
Go onto that fence line where the flag is so we can set the flag. Go.
Where?
to the flag. Peel round this corner in, you see the flag there. Go to this side of the fence where the flag is. Go.
I don't think many of them listen to the brief about taking the flag. There's quite a few times I had to explain this throughout the day what the plan was, but never mind.
So you've got 2 sets of tyres down there. They're at the second set of tyres and the wood line. Watch the wood line as well, yeah?
Yeah, shoot!
Someone give us some covering fire and I'll go to that fence there. Okay, nice one. Get some more through, send some more through.
Watch this guy, watch this guy, watch this guy.
Watch outside there.
Whoa, watch your blind fire, mate.
Hang on. Oh, he's dead anyway, he's down.
2 people on the
I won't waste it. Can we lower the flag, gents?
Watch your right.
Got him. Whoa!
That's it.
I'm being pressed.
That was close, yeah.
Open.
Watch out, they're directly ahead of us, mate.
Anyone got any pyro?
I've got smoke. No fire.
2 people on the doorway. 3 on there now. 1 pushing hard, tyres!
Fucking got him. Watch your guy right there. He's on the tree there, watch him. He didn't take his itch. He's going to come for the trees. Watch him.
Don't be like that.
Just go further back from me and you can lean out like what I'm doing, yeah?
Here.
Yeah, I've seen that, yeah. Watch it.
You're dead, man. I just shot you.
Didn't feel it. Sorry, bud. Right. I just saw one trail off and I didn't feel anything.
You got you again there.
Yeah, sorry, bud. Didn't mean to.
Ciao.
Marshall, move to the right, please. What's that?
One on the right, push it up!
What was your ear?
Not that close. Through the doorway, watch the doorway. Go on then, change armour. I'm out. See him.
Back.
They're going to rush us. They've just spot smoke. They're going to rush us. But they put it in the wrong place, yeah. Alright, wait. Get the doorway now. Look at the doorway. They're not at the doorway anymore. Straight the doorway, yeah. They're going to rush us. Get there with 2 or 3, mate.
Watch out! Oh, shit, hit!
Oh, hey!
I like this one, like.
Did you see that guy there, though? That ran out in the middle and fell over?
No.
Quite a big chap. He ran from one set of tyres to the other, fell over. Everyone just peppered him, but he still crawled to the tyres and didn't even didn't take it.
Quick respawn, quick ammo, repen,
I'll catch you up. I've got
and then back in it. Going through 4 mags there straight off the bat was not what I expected. Again, make sure you run back in. You know, if you can run back in and you've got the ability to, just run in, run out, just to try and support you guys. Get back in the action as quick as possible.
Hey Matt, suppress it for us, I'll go in. Yeah, yeah.
So none of us realise there's a guy on the right hand side here. We all bomb burst in there en masse. Get shot up. This guy gets hurt quite bad. Puts him out for quite a bit.
Yeah, mate. I'm sure his engagement distance is here. Isn't that a 25 metre engagement distance, is it? Yeah, thanks a lot for that. Fucking guy got DMR there and he's blasting him through the door here. It's not 25 metre engagement distance.
So, bit of blood here. This is what the end result of that was. All across my back, and with others as well having similar results. So just remember, if you've got an engagement distance, make sure you stick to it, because some of the consequences for some young kids here is could be quite dire. But no worries, just crack on.
Good lad, to get him. Is he still there? Is he still there?
Right, look at that guy, gonna put 2 reds here, ready?
Behind the fire at the back.
Push, push, go, 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 go!
Go, 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 go! Oh, oh. Hey. Doesn't take it out, does he?
Quick respawn, quick jog, back in.
Go, 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 go! Go right here.
Watch your engagement distance for full auto, single shot, remember within 5 meters.
Yeah, I'm glad the Marshal mentioned that. Bit of an overkill there. Full auto at that close range. Not good.
Dead again. I've got to walk back twice now.
Again, quick run back. Prep the grenade. You know, a good thing I've cut these bits out of you prepping the grenade. That takes a minute or so. Then run back into the game so I can use the grenade again. I do need to get another timed grenade for instances like this where I can run back in and use them 2 for 1 go. Or find a reusable timed grenade that it can go off more than once.
Oh, come on, you check that or what? Of course you didn't. Okay to go, Matt, okay to go. Go. Set away.
Yes, I broke the flagpole, but don't worry, they do get it fixed.
Push up, Red, push up here, quick, come on!
Come on! He's good! Behind the tyre! Push! Push!
There's a sniper down there as well, watch out. Left hand set of tyres there, the sniper just to the right of it.
Guys, one come on the fence line! Fence line! He can't shoot you through it! Watch him! Come on and don't let him out! There's another one! Watch.
You got a grenade rope? He's coming now, sniper coming down now. Watch out for that sniper just to the left there, okay? Well, you've got the far left rub at the tyre, it's on its own.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, you see him there.
Guys, you've got to stick your head out and shoot them!
Watch out, there's another guy there now, he's moved up, okay?
It's Beth!
Come on, let's suppress the tyres, get the tyres for us! Someone get to the end here and shoot the fucking tyres!
So yeah, apologies for
The
some
tyres.
foul language there. Just getting frustrated, start to get more and more frustrated where people don't start moving up. The same people again and again and again trying to take this and hold this line, and everyone else is just so far back. When you can see me walking back in a minute, you can see so many of them just sat there at unbelievable ranges, just doing nothing.
Tyres, come on, no. It's stuck and I pulled it. It's alright, it's the right colour now anyway.
You've got to hold it!
Yeah. He's gone.
What do we do with...
You see where the second... Hey, there's two sets of tyres there, yeah? In the middle between the tyres, there's two snipers on the floor. Watch out, coming here.
The Marshal Adam there, well in. I mean, didn't even flinch, put himself in the firing line, fixing that, and
Push up now!
could have got a serious whack.
Me, where the f*** are the reds gone? What are you doing? Having a picnic? F*** me. Just get my grenade so I can use it on you in a minute. Fucking kidding me. Good lad, watch out. What the f*** are the reds doing down here? Yeah, my fucking picnic, I bet there's 20 down here, just sat there having a ging-gang-gooly.
No.
Oh, there is, look. We'll have a campfire setting up bashers here.
Got the reinforcement in that fence area!
We're making a break for it or what?
Tell you what, who wants to get some covering fire, like full auto, give me some.
Step in numbers.
Go.
So we make the run again across here. You see the enemy just stacked up on the other side of this, and then another guy does this.
That's blind firing!
Sorry.
So shot me in the face, no damage done, but I was just peeved because of the kids that are around here as well. What I'm bothered about now is to post a grenade. And do that.
Yeah, my bad, mate, my bad.
Come on, push it now! You hit.
Again, found myself on my own. No help, no support, very little. The guys that kept coming back and back and back, it's the same people that went there. Just really frustrating time.
I give up now. Come on, we've got the flag. We've got the flag. What are you doing?
One last replen, one last rearm, and then one last push
Have you got the other side, gents?
before index is called.
Have we got the other side?
Last push just to hold it low enough. One guy trying to take the flag. End up getting the good news.
Bang.
Hey, can I get my glove? I'm getting my glove.
So that was Phoenix Total Combat Capture the Flag, which was intense, knackering, hot. Although we did end up eventually losing in a couple of minutes' time. As soon as I got shot here, we ended up losing the flag.
Come on.
There we go. Hit by someone behind.
Or not.
Fantastic day, fantastic event. Great team. You know, we didn't win this. I think it was at the end of the day. I think it was overall a draw, but phenomenal event. Really enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed this. Please give us a like and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon to get some future content. There's quite a few videos coming from this event here. It is in Warrington, so if you're in the northwest, please check it out. Hope to see you out in the field. Come and say hi. Chuck some comments in there. I love them all. Take care. Bye bye.